Weirdlings, I'm Shannon and welcome to another episode of Mouth Noise. Alright, so it is officially day 3 in Taiwan, and today we are going up some mountains. I don't know which mountains they are, I'll find out later. We're going up some mountains and we're gonna go look at some monkeys, and I'm really excited about it, so let's see it happen.
2 hours later.
So we changed our plans because it rained, so now we're back at the shopping night market. So yeah, we were here last night and we liked it so much, so my mom and I were like, hey, let's come back. So now we are here again and there's so much cool stuff here, and yeah. Also, say hi to Jojo. Jojo's asleep. He's knocked out. And this is Judy and my mama, who you've already seen. So anyway, yeah, now we're just walking through here again. It's like a huge alleyway, just like full of stuff. Yeah, we were up here earlier. They have like prom dresses. You see them? The prom dresses. Just like in the alleyway. Every time they see me and my family, like, we get a look of like surprise of like, oh my god, there's a black person here. Yeah, so it's pretty interesting. Oh, I think I lost my family. Oh, okay. Literally earlier there were like people taking pictures of us from across the street, and I was just like, because I mean, what you gonna do? It's like either you get offended by it or you just like go with it, and we're trying to be mean, you know. Some people will be like, oh, that's racist, they're taking pictures of black people, blah, 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 but like, whatever, you know. It's like, might as well just, they haven't seen us before, so hip-hop mode. Hip-hop mode. It's just weed. It's just weed. Oop, you got it? I just ran right into that scooter. So tomorrow we're gonna go to the bigger market, or like another market, or
the bigger market.
Bigger market.
Night market. It's a tourist spot, but it's big.
It's big? Okay.
I would say maybe 2 sides or 3 sides of here.
What?
Yeah.
We've been here for 2 hours.
But it doesn't have as much, as many alley as here.
Okay.
Yeah, but
so it's like a little bit faster to go through?
Yeah.
Okay. Mom and I are hungry and it's like 8 a.m. and we didn't really know what to do, so now we're walking to a McDonald's somewhere in the middle of Taiwan. So
we saw the golden arches.
Yeah, we know where it is. It's like right in front of us. We just have to get to it.
It is noisy with all these scooters. Oh my gosh.
She's like screaming in my ear. The sound thing's over on this side of it. Anyways, okay. Be careful. We basically have to walk not in the middle of the street, but like on the street at all times in order to get anywhere, because there are scooters, as you can see, all the scooters just flying by us constantly, like in the middle of the sidewalk, just parked there, because that's just how people get around here. So we're just walking in the street, but we found the McDonald's. It's right in front of us, so I'm very excited. I'm very hungry. We're gonna eat. They have it has chicken nuggets with your pancakes, and it makes you really happy. gonna go see monkeys, but then
We're so lost.
we got lost. I feel like this whole entire vlog should be titled "We Got Lost" because
Monkeys are hiding.
because we took
Which way?
this way. We never went across a bridge. Yeah, we took the trail and we followed the GPS, but we just can't find the monkeys, and it just got so windy that we were like, let's just not.
Yeah, we set another
We started feeling like we were in the middle of a horror movie.
I never
And we
felt
still
like
had
that.
20
but-
minutes to go.
Yeah, and we still had 20 minutes to go, and the monkey place closes at 5, and it's like almost 4, so it's probably 4 by now.
I
actually.
kept thinking of the
Or
movie
4
Wrong
something.
Turn.
So.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, you know. No, thank you.
Well.
No wrong turns today.
Yeah. Okay.
So we've made many a wrong turn today, but but yeah. So anyway, so now we're gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do today. Look at that. We're hungry now, so we're gonna eat some Japanese barbecue, and I'm excited. We just finished eating at, what is Bake Shape Ape? Is that really what it's called? Bake Shape Ape? Yeah, Bake Shape Ape. And now, I don't know. I think we're going to markets now, or yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go to another place to shop.
Great.
Hooray! I don't know. ShanShan's lesson and this.